Hello folks, Jason here with Rivers West Auction. We're in Kalispell, Montana. We've got another one of these Chevy pickups that's going down the road. So this is a 2005 2500 HD Sierra 6-liter automatic 4-wheel drive. It's got, as I kind of go around, I'll tell you a little more about it. I'll say the tires are probably at about 30%. We got a monkeyed up wiper here, missing door handle here. It's showing a low oil pressure and it's ticking right now. It does have oil in it. It just doesn't they figure the oil pump or something's out on it, and there's a few other things too. It does have the B&W 5th wheel hitch. It's a short box receiver hitch here in the back. 200,365 miles, so just over 200,000 miles on this truck. It is going to need a little bit of love. I'll show you under the hood real quick, and then I'll show you the interior. You kind of hear it ticking. We did have to jump it. The battery is 5 years old, and I'm going to guess it needs to be replaced. It's been sitting here for a couple of years, just because of the oil pump deal, or the low oil pressure, and then they while I was sitting here, somebody come in and tried to jack a radio out of it or something to that effect. As you can see, it shows low oil pressure. Heater works good. It seems like there's all the trim from this side here, door handle, all that. So it's all here. Headliner looks like it's in pretty good shape. A little bit of oil stain up there from grabbing it. So yeah, this truck has been out of service, but it does start. It starts, it runs, it drives. It's going to need some attention there with the engine and a few other things, but it's really one of the lower mile trucks in the sale. So anyways, we're in Kalispell, Montana. 2005 Chevy 3/4 ton extended cab short box. There you go.